Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.